Well, as you can see, the left taillight is not working. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the brake light bulb on the driver's side on this 2002 Chrysler PT Cruiser. Now, just a suggestion, a few days before doing this project, make sure that you spray the screw for the taillight bulb with WD-40 or some penetrating oil. This way, it will loosen the screw and prevent it from breaking.
3 days later.
Now we can replace the taillight bulb. The taillight bulb number for this car is 3157. Make sure it has the dual filament bulb. If it only has one filament, then it's not compatible with your vehicle. The screw holding the taillight in place has a combination head. You can either use a flathead screwdriver or a T30 Torx bit. I'm using a T30 Torx bit to remove it. With the screw out, use a plastic panel remover to remove the housing from the body. Now this is the socket that we need to remove. Simply turn it counterclockwise to pull it off. Now pull the bulb out. Now let's put in a new bulb. Now if you have some gloves, I advise to put them on so that moisture from your hand doesn't get transferred to the bulb. Because if moisture gets on the bulb, then it's going to shorten the life of the bulb and you have to do this project all over again. And you don't want to do this twice. Now, before putting the socket back in the housing, let's test it first. Turn on the park lights and press the brakes and let's see if it works. Park lights on. Brakes.
Yes! Yes!
Now that we were able to confirm that it's working, let's put it back together. So put the socket back in and then turn it clockwise. Then put the housing back to the body. And reinstall the screw. And that is how you replace the rear driver's side taillight bulb on this 2002 Chrysler PT Cruiser. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arjaf, and thank you for watching.